So here guys, we are now starting to set up our tents. So look at us from afar. And yeah, our boss is busy with his drone there. Oh! Here. So later in the evening we're going to have a bonfire here. Here's we're going to unsa kitawag anak boss kanang demonstrate our bonfire, and we have this guys. Hi Sir Bill. This is their tent. Look. We have this for the hot dog and marshmallow later for yeah. And look at Tarzan. Hi Tarzan. What are you doing? Stomach in. There. Hi Ina, hi Yen. And this is their tent. Next is hi Miss. Oh yeah. Oh thank you Miss May. Our boss Miss May is distributing wet wipes. Here are the couple. Hi. Jekoy and Mitch. This is their tent. Oh hi! Look at the drone there. 1, 2, 3, asawa ni Pare. Dali, kilubat na. 1, 2, 3. Chedeng! Picture na siya. Project, change shades of yung mga projections and all. Wait. So, this is our boss controlling the drone. And yeah, we're here now and wing. Hi, wing. Whoa! Hallelujah! Okay, this is Wing and who are you with? And Daday, this is their tent. And then hi Dai. This is our boss's tent. Oh! Look. Wow! Guys, I want to show you something. This is a sorry, I'm covering the this is a director's chair. Okay. Director's table. See, this is what I told you guys. Ang Bukid Himuog Hotel. Look! We have meds, we have sunblock, off lotion. Because later in the evening we're going to have bonfire. You say hi, miss. Hi. You say hi to my vlog. Hi, boss.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vloggers. Charmel. Yeah, say hi to my vlog. And later I'll be joining this tent. It's Kuyas and it's Kuyas and yeah, there they are. Okay, this is the tent of our guide. I'll be staying here. Hey! And this is our guide. Hi, you say hi, John. Hi. This is my loves. So yes, and look at guys, look at the food. Oh my God, we have.
Drinks na.
Yeah, we have food. We have pan, peanut butter, palaman. Char lang. We have wine. We have, yeah, here, wine. We have a lot of wines. Oh my God, look.
Nanay, asa mo tinapay, nanay?
Oh, it's in the bag. It's in my bag. Hoy, ako'y magkaon adto. Oh, yeah. So, guys, see you later. We need to have a coffee break first. Director's cat. Hi, boss. You say hi. Hey. So, see you later, guys. Bye.